Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Crunchyroll refusing to play in HD, stuck on blurry and pixelated even though your internet is fast enough for 4K? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then go to your Wi-Fi and confirm that your internet connection is actually strong at the moment you're streaming. Since Crunchyroll's quality settings on auto adjusts in real time and drops down at the first sign of a weak or fluctuating signal, even briefly. Then toggle Wi-Fi off and then back on to reset the connection. From the playback screen, tap the settings gear and manually select 1080p instead of auto. Since manually forcing a resolution stops the app from the auto downgrading during small network dips. Close every other app in your recent app list since background apps consume more bandwidth and can trigger Crunchyroll to drop quality to compensate. If quality still won't improve, go to your settings, then go to General, go to iPhone Choice, find Crunchyroll to the list of apps, and then tap Offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store, search for Crunchyroll, wait for it to load, tap on it, and then tap Get to reinstall it fresh from App Store to clear a corrupted playback cache. So all you've got to do is refresh your Crunchyroll Wi-Fi manually, then select 1080p instead of auto, close background apps and reinstall if needed. Video quality improves and that's it. Subscribe.